check out what I got. Ooh, check out what I got. Hey guys, it's Tony here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing unboxing. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been hearing about the new Fenty Beauty Icon lipstick by Rihanna, and so guys, guess what? I got it. When this product came out, I was like dying to get it. I've been kind of seeing girls, you know, trying on the product, and it kind of seems a little bit techy, so we're gonna go through it together since it is my first time getting it. So we're gonna go step by step. All right, so I ordered the lipsticks in 3 different shades, and it just came in an envelope. Okay, here they are. Woo, girl, let's make sure it's empty. So first, this is the case. All right, this is the case. These are the refillables. So I got a refill 09 She ACEO. Yeah, so here it is. And I got 03 Board Memb'r. All right, and I got the famous one that Rihanna has been wearing. So it's the 01, the MVP. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oof. Okay, it's a beauty. Looks super nice. I really don't even know what to do with it yet, but we'll figure it out. All right, so let's talk about the case. So the cases actually come in 2 different colors, and matte black or this color here. Overall, I think the case is super pretty. It's feminine, it's elegant, luxurious as well. The only downfall to it that I can say is that maybe it's a bit too bulky. All right, so some of you might find that it's too bulky for you. It doesn't really matter to me, but overall, I think it's pretty. I won't be using any lip liner because I really just want you to be able to see the color on its own. So this is how the case comes. All right, so it has a top that comes with it. So what you want to do is that you want to grab on to the top, okay? And this is how your fill comes. Your fill has a cover. Remove the cover and don't touch anything. All right, so the next thing you want to do is get the cover, get the fill. You will snap it in. That's all you gotta do. Okay, now to remove it, just gently pull it apart. Okay, and you hear that lock-in sound, and that's all you gotta do. Okay, so here's your lipstick, and there goes the beauty. The shade that I'm trying on is the MVP. So here it is. As you can see, the tip. Okay, it has a pointed tip that's meant to line around your lips. And so here we go. It has a very faint scent to it. I can't really describe what it is, but it smells good. It smells good, and it feels buttery. You can feel that it's hydrating, and that moisture it's there. So would I buy this again? Probably not. I think it's pretty and all. It's just because I already have a whole lot of shades of red, and this is pretty and all. I mean, if you just want to try it on for the sake of, you know, supporting the brand, which is what I'm pretty much doing. All right, so I'll be trying on the She ACEO lipstick. Okay, so once again, all you gotta do is snap it in. Don't twist it, snap it in. What do you guys think? I actually love this. Overall, I will give this maybe an 8 out of 10. All right, so last shade is a Board Memb'r. All right, so put it on, and here we go. Oh, damn. All right. I love the shade. It's giving me like an elegant, bold kind of look, you know, like, yeah, don't play with me, right? I will definitely buy this again. This is 10 out of 10, 100%. Once you've picked your color and you're satisfied with it and you're going out, you want to take the lipstick with you. So you get your case, you get your lipstick, and that's where the mating happens. All right, so you just put it in until you hear that snap sound. All right, so here it is. So now let's say you want to do a little touch up. You get your lipstick and you get the bottom part, you twist. All right, and I love that. And that will pop up and you just take it out, and here you have your lipstick. All right guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments which shade you like the best, which one you think suited me the best. Did you like it? What is it that you liked about it? What is it that you didn't like about it? All right guys, so that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.